Okay, this is going to be a quick one. Look at this. This is this. Obviously, the garage door is closed. This is snow that's blowing in from under the door and from the side over here. I was just telling somebody that this. Whew, it's cold in here. And again, I'm wearing shorts. I was outside for 2 hours. Now, I have about a 60-foot long driveway by about maybe 20 feet wide, and that's what I use. It's not a snow blower, it's a snow thrower, and it's good for about 8 inches of snow. It'll move, you know, but it doesn't drive itself. You know, you got to push that thing to make it go. There's no belt drive or anything on that. So it's a good workout, and that's what I've used for, God, I don't know, 6-7 years. It starts up every time, never an issue with it, it works. But with a storm like this one that we're having, I can't just do the driveway one time, like tomorrow when the storm's over. I've got to go out and do it 2, 3, probably 4 times. I've done the driveway twice today already. And I'm going to open the door in a minute and show you. But this storm is so bad, and this wind is so bad, that you know, I'm out there with this machine. I'm plowing. I'm doing the driveway, and you know, I do a 2, 3, 4 passes. I turn around, and it's covered back up again. I mean, between the wind blowing the snow and the big drifts, and just the heavy snowfall, it's just I can't keep up with it. So I don't know if you can hear. Let's see if you can hear this. I don't know if you can hear it or not. That wind is howling out there. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be quick because it's fucking cold. Let me get the light on. Hang on. Whew. Baby, it's cold. Much better. I was just out here. I was just out here 45 minutes ago, and now I got this much snow again. I mean, that's just, look at that snow mound over there. Here, let me go outside. Oh my God, it's freezing out here. All right, I got some light now. Look at that snow mound. Over there's a car in our driveway. This is a really bad storm. I mean, I just cleared this whole driveway 45 minutes ago, and we've got, what is that? 3 inches of snow down already. Wow. Oh, this sucks. I gotta fucking move to Florida or somewhere. Anyway, that's all she wrote. I'll talk to you later.